Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by if you're new here. Today's video will be about how to make time for everything in our to-do list. I'll share my tips and tricks, and if you want to see more, please continue to watch this video and we'll get started very shortly. In today's fast-paced world, it can be challenging to find time for everything. With work, family, friends, and hobbies, our to-do list can quickly become overwhelming. However, with a few simple strategies, it's possible to make time for everything that matters to us. Here are some tips that helps me. Hopefully, it will help you as well. First, prioritize your task. Make a list of everything you need to do and prioritize your tasks based on importance and urgency. Focus on completing the most critical task first and then move on to the less important ones. I know, can be challenging, but try to do your best. Second, create a schedule. Set aside specific times for each task on your to-do list. This will help you manage your time more efficiently and avoid wasting time on unimportant activities. Third, learn to say no. It's okay to say no to activities or events that don't align with your goals and values. This will free up time for the things that matter most to you. Fourth, limit distraction. Turn off your phone and avoid social media and other distractions when you need to focus on a task. This will help you to stay on track and complete your work more efficiently. And last one for this video is take a break. It's essential to take breaks throughout the day to rest and recharge. This will help you to stay focused and productive for the longer periods. Hopefully, by implementing these strategies, you can make time for everything that matters to you. Remember to be flexible and adjust your schedule as needed to ensure that you are making the most of your time. With a little planning and discipline, I'm pretty sure you can achieve your goals and lead a fulfillment life. If you have other tips and tricks that I did not mention in this video, leave them in the comments below for those who will watch this video. I'm sure it will be very helpful. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and if you like it, give it a like and consider subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.